going to go to Barnes & Noble first.
Barnes & Noble.
And then we're going to go to Hobby Lobby. And I also need to go to Joann's at some point. Michael's is also around there. If you wanna...
What are you asking me? You're buying me manga, so.
Yeah. Oh, I'm buying you manga today? Okay. I also have a quilt in here that I finished. You guys want to see it? I'm sorry, sir, Mr. Chauffeur. Look at this quilt that I made.
What are you going to use that for?
This is for River.
No, it smells like old people.
It's because it was at my grandma's house.
Why do old people have that specific smell?
It just starts omitting from your skin when you get older.
On God?
Yeah.
What?
What did you think?
You're going to smell like dust?
You are also going to smell like dust. So
No, I'm going to smell like swag.
we're not even going to know.
And manga.
Swag and manga.
Babe, it's IRL streaming. We gotta people watch.
They just want to look at me, babe.
Why don't you go pose in front of them? Be like, right in front of the cops.
Is my hair crazy?
Hair looks absolutely normal. Here in Caesar Medical Facility, we do not use the word crazy. We prefer slightly outrageous.
Barnes & Noble. I'm
Back YouTube. Today we're going to show you how to steal from Barnes & Noble.
No.
It's time.
Be quiet. Toothpaste? Oh, it's a shopping list. Somebody dropped their shopping list. Your boyfriend looks like an actual YouTuber.
What? It's racist.
I want to eat your pancreas. Water section. Oh, solo leveling 3.
Babe, and they also have the light bulb.
This is what we're getting so far. I actually was thinking of that. If anybody comes up and says I can't record in here, I'll just tell them I'm on a FaceTime call.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Oh God. Usually they say have a good day.
You just have like a pre-recorded message. You don't even think what they're saying.
I don't, no.
No, you enjoy too. The books that I bought, you enjoy
Guys,
those.
did you hear that? You didn't hear that, did you? She said, so we bought books, and she said, enjoy, and I said, you too.
Twitch streamer goes outside for the first time. Socially awkward.
They usually
Cannot miss.
Babe.
Not clickbait.
You guys ready? You guys ready to go to Hobby Lobby? What?
Seems very white.
It is very white, yeah.
Here we see a live Kelsie in her natural habitat.
Should I get all of them?
I don't know. It's cold outside, so you should probably.
We have a gold one?
That's gold.
This is silver and gold.
Is that fall cutter?
This is fall. Gold is fall. Ow. Alright, well I guess I'm gonna get all 4 of them.
That's $16 right there.
The yarn's not even 30% off today.
You and your grandma.
Every time me and my grandma go out to lunch, we always go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, so now we need to pick out fall colors.
Very.
Am I in frame?
What the fuck? What is this? This is what she sent me.
It's a color palette, stupid ass.
I've never heard of a palette before. Isn't that for food?
You're done.
A
No.
taste palette?
No.
Wow, fall.
Burnt pumpkin.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's right here. Burnt.
Have you ever burnt a pumpkin before? I want pumpkin pie.
Okay.
Wow, look at her.
You can get pumpkin pie.
Why was that so mean?
You can get pumpkin pie.
Why is she acting
Nobody
like
stop
this?
you from getting pumpkin pie.
Look, this I gotta hold my hand like a tripod.
Maybe we should get a tripod.
A word?
Yeah.
There's one of those things where like you move it and like it doesn't. You can like do this and it stays in one area.
Yeah, that's like a.
Like one of those fishes.
I don't know what it's called. Like a chicken's head. You know?
Oh yes, that's not a fish. That's what I was thinking of.
You were thinking of that?
Yeah.
And you said fish?
Yeah. Yes, all the pumpkin pie, babe.
I don't like pumpkin pie. I like cherry pie.
You don't like anything that tastes good. I literally caught her eating dog poop before.
No, you didn't.
Those with the beige you had and the green like basil. The beige you had earlier. This one?
No, that's white. Why are you dumb?
I don't know colors. If you gave me a color wheel, I would only be able to pick out red and blue.
Beige is like you color.
This is beige to you guys?
Yeah.
What are you? Neon white?
This is beige.
What happened to this? Is this like a sample?
Yeah, they put up samples.
Oh my god, I thought someone was stealing.
This is too much.
Oh my god, look. So what's a crochet joke we can use? Okay, Mom, sorry. Are we done here?
I think we're done here.
You need a hand aid, babe.
No, I don't.
Because I'll always be throwing hands with you.
No. We're gonna open this so we can use it. I got 4 of these, white sparkly. I love this yarn metallic. I think it's just called white. And then 2 of these tan ones.
Seatbelt.
I forgot.
Which
one? Right now, I'm screaming. Okay, so we're gonna make a fall sweater with these colors. Pumpkin spice latte.
Hell yeah.
This is the pumpkin, this is the spice, and this is the latte. I think that's good. I got 2 of each of these, right? I got a free piece of straw in our bag. Can you throw that out the window? It bleeds. Okay, and then we got 2 of these because I saw them and they're beautiful. This is Chloe. I really like Chloe, the Yarn Bee Chloe. They always have good colors and it's so pretty. And this is called Breezy Sunrise. They're so nice. Look at the gradient on this. Have you guys used this yarn yet? Not here. This looks nice. This is wool though. Oh wait. Is it on sale? Ooh, what are these? Oh my god. Oh wait, I need to get this. Babe, look at it. It's like marble blue. Okay.
I can make that.
You can't make that. What?
Disgusting.
These are definitely not the same color. No, they're both warm brown. These are just different color lots. Get it together. Get it together. Pima cotton here, which I've tried. I do like it. The Red Heart jumbos are $4.99. I think I need to get a white one.
We just tell them it's for a college project. This is where we go to different stores and try to steal as much as possible without being caught.
No. Don't listen to him. Did you enjoy the Joann's trip? I literally, I only needed this brown yarn because somebody ordered a top in brown, and I looked through my yarn stash last night and I did not have any cotton brown yarn, oddly enough, so there's that. Look, I got a new ergonomic crochet hook. Got a 5mm because that's what I use the most often. This is a Boy brand ergonomic aluminum crochet hook, but it's like marble colored. Bro, chill.
Bro, chill. Explain what ergonomics means.
Ergonomics. It has a little grippy thingy on it. What?
I don't even know what it means, but I know that's wrong.
Did we get? You hungry? Chat. Yeah.
Choo choo. You know what I saw on TikTok? That apparently you see your feet 2 nanoseconds in the past. So apparently I've never actually seen my feet in the present.
Looks pretty present to me.
2 nanoseconds for the light to travel from your feet to your eyes.
You think so?
Nanoseconds.
Nanoseconds are very small.
That's what I'm saying.
So that it basically, you're not even... I don't agree. I think I can see my feet right now.
You don't agree in science.
What if you pick up your feet and pull them up to your face?
You're telling me you don't agree with science.
Okay, I agree with science.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking.
I have seen that one girl and her dad who wears the crochet tops. They were also on Wife Swap. Isn't that fun? I like this desk.
Oh yes, like you can imagine,
Isn't
Ben.
this a nice desk?
Imagine like this is your where you stream. I have like a little arm right here, a little cam, a mic right here, and you have the actual like computer monitor right here,
Mm-hmm.
and you can just move it out of the way when you're done.
It doesn't roll.
Yeah, babe, but are you really that weak you can't look this up?
With a whole computer on it?
No. The computer and everything is behind here.
Oh, okay.
This is the computer.
Okay.
You would have your mic right here.
Yeah.
And your little camera.
Yeah.
That's the camera.
Yeah.
Right, and then your stuff right here.
Okay.
And then, you know.
Stuff. There's crochet hooks, drinks.
Crochet hooks. Crochet. What drink will fit in here?
I
Are
couldn't
you gonna
tell.
pour it in here and then use a straw?
I couldn't tell what size it was on camera.
And then right here also for drinks.
I'm done. I've seen these everywhere, but I have not bought one yet. I don't want one. They got Bernat Bounce Back. I haven't used that yet. Babe, the anniversary cakes are on sale for $19.99.
I'm not gonna get you an anniversary cake. This is not even edible. It's also not even near our anniversary.
So rude. You guys like Karen latte cakes? I like Karen latte cakes. Wait, I've never seen this.
What about skinny cakes?
Crystal cakes. How does it look like that? Look at it. This is pretty. It's also kind of ugly at the same time.
Drew, you have one of these parts.
I do, yeah.
Full of random nonsense.
It's full of crap.
I saw an amulet from 1980 for some reason.
1980. You think
There's
I'm
also
old?
a bullet that collided with another bullet from the Civil War that you found. Very like impossible.
I need you to
probabilities.
quit. If any of you missed it at the beginning of the live, we went and got this from my mailbox. I ordered it online. It came in today, and I'm so excited. So it looks like your regular wool, right? But it's actually acrylic. It's 100% acrylic. It's very soft.
Same thing nails are made out of?
Yeah. Plastic. Boom. Bam. Pink and purple. I got 4 of them. I think I'm gonna make another scarf. Do you guys agree? With tassels. You can make a U-turn anywhere unless there's a sign that says no U-turn.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
I never passed my driver license test. I'm actually not even legal in the States.
Yes, you are.
Doubt it.
You were literally born here. What?
Not here.
Like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward?
Squidward had a fat ass in that one.
He did.
A girl built like that, she's the one.
Wow, thanks.
What up?
Thanks for joining. I can do more streams like this for sure. I had a good time.
Thank you guys for joining my stream. I will now leave. Thank you for joining. You guys are great. Oh my god, can't believe she said that.
Her voice is so low.
Cancelled.
All right. Goodbye.